Hello everyone, my name is Alkaline, the BAZUKA Prophet, and today I am going to be teaching you the easiest method in balancing of redox reaction in basic medium with the fastest approach, that objective method. Now, this is it. This is a redox equation I'll be giving to you. These are the options. Now, you tend to get your answers from your option very, very easy. Now, since they have told you in a basic medium, it means that in a basic medium, hydroxide ion should should end it in the overall balancing. So that one should be in your head. So it means those ones that have hydrogen ion is out. And we check the options here. Okay, A has hydrogen ion, so we can take it. B here does not have hydrogen ion or hydrogen ion. So this one is skeptical for the now, so we leave it. But there are some basic medium that at the end of the day, when we balance it, the hydrogen ion might not be there because it was balanced from the initial step. But these two, if you look at the option C here has hydrogen ion. So it means that it will be cancelled, it will not be used. So this one will not be part of the answer. This D2, because of hydrogen ion here too, at the overall, it will still not be. It can only be when they told us in acidic medium, because acidic medium is ascribed to hydrogen ion, while basic medium is ascribed to hydrogen ion. So it's not between A and B. Now let's see why B won't work. Let us check whether it is balanced atomically. Now if you check here, okay, let's see here. Okay, the oxygen here is 4. Okay, the oxygen here is 8. 4 oxygen here, 4 oxygen here, so 8. But if you look at this case here, it is 4. So it means this one too is also what now? Wrong. So we are only left with what now? A, because it is balanced both atomically and electrically. If you look at it here, if you look at it thoroughly, it's balanced. 2 atom of manganese, 2 here. Oxygen here is as 2 times 4, 8 plus 4. That's 12. And let's just see this one too. 2 times 2, 4 plus 8. So everything is balanced. So for the now, God bless you. If you know my YouTube channel has really helped you, and to get more updates, please do well to subscribe and please share. God bless you.